All right, so let's try a couple more examples. I'll do a couple with you, and then I'll let you do a couple on your own. Um, so the first one we have here is ammonium nitrate. Um, and I will say this right now, you can look on the periodic table. Ammonia is not an element, it is a compound. It's one of those polyatomic things. So if we look at our handy dandy table E, we see ammonium right here. So ammonium is NH4 with plus 1. So my ammonium ion, NH4 with a plus 1 charge. Okay. And then nitrate, because it ends in ATE, we already know. We're going to go back to the chart. So nitrate is NO3 with minus 1. So my ion for that is NO3 with a minus 1. So there's a plus 1, there's a minus 1. So these are going to balance out without anything else happening. So the formula for ammonium nitrate, you just write it down. Cation first, NH4, NO3. And there you have it, ammonium nitrate. Let's move across to iron sulfate. You see here it has this Roman numeral, right? That's kind of a special case. If you look at iron on the periodic table, also in your green reference chart here, it's near the back. If you look at the periodic table and we find iron, which is Fe, it is right here. Iron, look, it can either have a plus 2 or a plus 3 charge. It has two options, plus 2 or plus 3, right? So the reason that this this Roman numeral is here is because it tells us which of those irons to use. When you get down here, see here's iron 3. That'll be the iron with the plus 3. But we want iron 2. That means it's the iron with the plus 2 charge. Okay, so that Roman numeral is very helpful. With some of these transition metals, there are more than one option for the charge they can have. That Roman numeral tells us which one to use. Okay? And then again, the sulfate ending in ATE, well, we did it already up here. We know what it is. It is SO4 2 minus. I have a positive 2 charge. I have a negative 2 charge. They're going to cancel each other out. So my formula is just FeSO4, iron sulfate. And iron 2 shows me it has a plus 2 charge. So remember, when you get down here, I'll give you the half of it. You're going to do the positive 3 charge because of the 3 Roman numerals. Guess what you're going to do when you get here? Yeah, exactly. I'm going to let you do that one on your own. All right, I'm going to do one more for you, and then you're on your own. Nickel hydroxide. Nickel, right on the periodic table, it is Ni. It has a positive 2 charge. Okay. Hydroxide is another one of those that you've got to, I'm all flipped around here, look at the chart for. You see hydroxide right here, OH minus. Hydroxide, hydrogen, oxygen, that makes sense. OH minus is hydroxide. We have a plus 2 charge, we have a minus 1 charge, which means I need 2 of these hydroxide ions in my formula. So when I write out the formula, it'll be nickel, and I need to put parentheses because I need 2 of this whole group, OH2. If I just wrote NiOH2, that's 2 hydrogens but only 1 oxygen. I have to show these as a group, so this is wrong. I have to show these as a group, so I need those parentheses around them. Okay, super important. All right, so I started you off on this one, but try these 3 on your own to write out the formulas, and then I'll do a video that gives you the answers.